Hey guys, good morning. Hi, sweet. Oh, look at you. Good morning. Everyone's so happy. Yes, good morning. What's going on over here? Huh? Hi, good morning, Marcus. Good morning. Oh, Tori. Hi. Hi, Miss Tori. Hi, Austin. Oh, sorry. Hi, Austin. How are you, sweetheart? Oh, you gonna let me pet you this morning? Oh, that's a good boy. Yeah. Okay. Julia. Hi, Julia. All right, let's get you some food. I'll come over here and say quick hi to Miss Clover. Oh, hi, Clover. Mwah. Good to see you this morning. Hi, baby. Hi, Solara. You hungry? Okay, let's get some food.